Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous over-the-top 1967 Chevelle. It's mini tubbed. Got a killer stance too. It's got a Monster 572, runs on pump gas. It's got a G-Force 5-speed manual transmission. It's an overdrive tranny. Car runs real nice down the road. Literally cruise at 70 in it. You know, for a pro touring car, super nice. You can just hop in it and hit the highway at 70. You know, that 5-speed makes a big difference. It's got a certified cage set up with a chute right in the center. I'll show that to you. It's got the new Weld racing wheels. It's got an ET Street on the back, nice and sticky. Gorgeous paint, chrome, stainless. You know, this white really works too with the black wheels and the vinyl roof. It's Corvette white. There's about 3,000 miles on the build on this car. Really no expense spared. Everything is new. These are ET Streets. Oh, there it is. 315 60R15. These wheels are freaking gorgeous. Underneath you got a S60 strange axle. It's got all Mark Williams components in it, and data housing. Beautiful chrome, stainless, everything right down to the felts on the windows. Beautiful. Very high-end build. Wilwood disc brakes up front. Looks like a polished caliper. And these are all also Mickeys up front. You know right away by that tread. Fiberglass cowl hood. New. Very special car. Certified cage. You can see a lot of photos I took today as well. Love how it has a stock appearance inside too. No crazy steering wheel or any of that stuff. Shift light, gauges all around. And a back seat. Cool. Beauty. It's got a brand new Ram twin disc clutch too. A very nice manners on the street as well. It's not too wicked. Moser 40 spline axles. Keep that power planted. Got a fuel cell in the back too. There she is, big dog. So this is a crate motor, but it was completely taken apart. All new forged internals, upgraded the pistons and everything. Power steering, air conditioning and heat, Monster aluminum radiator, Wilwood master, huge hooker headers. Oh God, those are lemons. Very expensive mandrel bent headers, mini alternator, Mark Williams spacer with Holley carburetor with a dual feed. MSD ignition. Looks like an MSD distributor. MSD wires. So pretty, man. Has tubular upper and lower A-arms, all dialed in. And this car was completely taken off the frame and reassembled and put back together. Yeah, it's got power windows too, which you never see. Fuel cell in the back. I think this is a 13-gallon fuel cell. Batteries relocated to the trunk. Here's your MSD 7AL-3. Check this rear out, man. So cool. Love how it goes from in here down there. Really keeps the tires planted too. Magna fuel, ProStar pump. All braided lines and fittings. Anodized aluminum fittings. This mini tub's done right. All new, brand new gaskets, felts, rubber tips, everything on this car. New lenses. This panel back here is new. The rear is also fully adjustable. It's got a 4-link back here. Really badass. Really special car. Even look at this piece here. I think that's for a parachute. And it looks like it's even set up for wheelie bars with the notches back there. It's got the strange double adjustable shocks. And this DDS cover on the back of that. That's pretty cool. These are the V-Series wheels. These are the newest. The greatest. Motor and training have about, I'd say the whole car's got about 3,000 miles on it. Fire it up for you real quick. You gotta hit the battery. It's probably the nicest Chevelle I've ever seen. You guys know that I've been selling cars for like 20 years. Drop out bar, we have this car seat that's included. Tilt wheel, power windows, shift light, you name it. Runs nice and cool too. Playback tack, pretty cool. Retro sound. I mean, new. This car is beautiful. Gorgeous headliner. Man, what a car. Beautiful. buddy? You're so cute. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a shout, 631-339-0399. You also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.